Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to edit the wp-config.php file. Before proceeding with the steps to edit the file, it's important to understand what the file is. The wp-config.php file is basically an important WordPress configuration file that is generated when you install WordPress for the first time. The file has important data like your database name and WordPress configuration settings, and even a tiny mistake will end up breaking your website. That's why it's recommended that you make a complete backup of your website before proceeding with the steps to edit the file. So let's get started with the steps. There are two different methods to edit the wp-config.php file. The first method involves using cPanel, which most people have access to. So to log into cPanel, simply enter in your domain name, followed by /cPanel. Now enter in your cPanel username and password to log in. Once you've logged into cPanel, click on the File Manager option, which will be the first option in cPanel. Once you're in File Manager, double-click on public_html. Here you will find the wp-config.php file. Simply click on the file, and then click on Edit from the top menu to edit the file. Click on Edit from the pop-up, and here you can edit the wp-config.php file. Once you're done editing the file, simply click on Save Changes from the top menu. If you cannot find the wp-config.php file in the public_html folder, it's likely in the root folder. Click on the home icon and look for the wp-config.php file over there. So in case you do not have access to cPanel, you can make use of a plugin called wp-config file editor. The plugin doesn't allow you to directly edit the wp-config.php file, but it gives a wide variety of options that automatically write code for you in order to edit the wp-config.php file. For example, let's say you want to disable automatic updates in WordPress. You would simply open up the wp-config file editor plugin and tap on the Upgrade tab. Then you would enable the Disable Automatic Updates option, and that's it. The plugin will automatically write the relevant code to the wp-config.php file instead of you having to physically type in code. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe as it motivates me to make more videos.